Well, it's been 5 years. I can't hold back my tears, 'cause I'm so very happy. I'm marrying an angel today. As I take your hand, I vow to meet your man. I vow to hold, to love, to cherish, and never disrespect the love we share. I'll be honest, I cannot lie. There'll be real good days, there'll be some bad times. I'll be standing right beside you, my sweet lady. You're the love of my life. Oh, as I take this ring and I place it on your sweet and lovely hands. We will show our kids, they will tell their kids what mom and daddy did on the day I married my angel. I love you, my angel.